Suppose if you are in a Excel page in your computer, so in this Microsoft Excel, if you try to open a new, there you can see different options like this sales report, expense report, etc. And if you want to clear the data in this sales report, I'm going to click this sales report, and now you can see that a page have been opened here. And if you want to delete or clear all these data, then you can simply press, this is the control key and this is the A key. So if you press these two keys, then you can see that everything have been selected here. So after selecting all these, you can do one option. So you must click this part of your mouse, and there you can see your clear content options. There you can see, and must click this clear content, and you can see that everything have been cleared now. And another method is you must move your somewhere in this empty area. You must put this, and after that you must press this control A. Now you can see that this entire amounts have been selected, and after that you press this delete button, and you can see that the data have been cleared here of this area. See, for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.